Oh, hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to PPM. Thank you so much for tuning in very much. Welcome. Please kindly subscribe, like the video, share the video as well. Now, guys, let me just talk about Uzandile Dabula, right? Uzandile Dabula has been trending, especially on TikTok. She's being dragged, even ka ex girl, she's being dragged after that particular clip that is going around where she couldn't answer a particular question in an interview where they were saying, like, if I say frontline states, what comes into your mind? That was the question. And the girl failed to answer that particular question. I think she didn't know what are frontline states, which ones are frontline states, something like that. So yeah, she kept on going there and there and there. I can see people saying she should have said I don't know, or she should have asked. Okay, what do you mean by frontline states? Maybe they were gonna give her a clue, or just say, hey, I do not know which ones are frontline states. Please elaborate for me, something, so that they can give her a clue, then she can answer a question. But to get in, she just answered, wakhuluma ngedudula. They were like, no, I'm saying, if I say frontline states, what comes into your mind? Okay, why are nale? And that particular man saying, I think she doesn't know what a frontline states. So girl has been trending because of that particular clip. Honestly,
Mr. Bula, let me just ask an open-ended question. If I say frontline states, what comes to mind and what can you say in relation to that?
So now this is about the people. We have this Freedom Charter where Operation Dudula is entrenching the Freedom Charter that says people shall govern. And currently we don't have leaders. We are on autopilot, and that's where Operation Dudula comes in.
No, I'm asking about frontline states.
Frontline states. So this is about. Are you now taking this together with
If I say to you frontline states, from a historical perspective, what comes to mind as we have this conversation?
The frontline states, I would believe it's about the people in power.
Let me add you obviously doesn't know what a frontline state is.
Okay.
She obviously doesn't know what a frontline state is.
So and then I saw a particular story about Julius Malema dragging her as well, slamming the Operation Dudula's Zandile Dawola Etina. This is proper garbage, after that particular clip was trending. A lot of people have dragged her, not only Julius Malema, but yeah, they are saying the EFF leader, Julius Malema, has slammed Uzandile Dawola, the leader of Operation Dudula, following that live interview. So during the interview, Dawola is struggling to define the term frontline states, which refers to Southern African countries that supported anti-apartheid efforts in the 1970s and 1980s. So when they asked her, but if I say frontline states, what comes to mind? And then Uzandile, so now this is about the people, and shifted the conversation to the Freedom Charter of Operation Dudula's leadership, diverting from the historical context. So now Malema he did share a recording of the interview on social media, Watiena expressing honestly his frustration over Dudula's performance, and he captioned that post. He posted that and then he captioned it. We are subjected to rubbish, like proper garbage, with no clue, none whatsoever. That was with Julius, indicating his disapproval of a lack of knowledge and subject. A lot of people were saying, imagine you being a leader. You want to be a leader, you want to be a president of something, you are a political what, and then you should study some of those things, study these countries, those countries, what are they, when Zagalan corner, so that if you are at these particular interviews and stuff, maybe you have an idea. We are not saying we are educated, Silana, you guys. Like, even me, I was like, okay, I know what is a frontline state, but I wasn't sure which ones are the frontline states. I was like, okay, even me, I wasn't sure. Honestly, if they asked me, I was like, gonna say, oh, konje mapa my frontline states. Banginikeze clunyana, you know what I mean? But to try to answer the question when you do not know the answer. Angazi, at least try elaborate more for me so that I can answer this particular question. She was gonna be helped there, but to get manje tried. She would say, yeah, I to do like this and that, the Freedom Charter, you know what I mean, on that You can hear her on that particular clip. Khamisa manje bigger than the other man is like, she doesn't know, you know what I mean? So it was quite embarrassing, but I mean, I'm not saying I was expecting Uzandile to know everything. I mean, who knows everything? But we do not know things, Zilana, you know? So, but yeah, na Uzandile, being a leader of Operation Dudula, you're the president of the party, you are the president, you know, that particular movement, whatever it is. At least study some of the political whatever things. My channel is not about reporter umgosi and the drama in the politics. I'm not saying I know anything about politics, you know. I'm not a political analyzer. I just report on drama that happens when it comes to politics and everything else. But I'm not saying I'm a political guru here. I know things. So, girl now, being the president of Itudula, there are things that I think she's supposed to at least start, man. Pendla, girl. Vula incwadi, pendla, you know, and just get that knowledge about about Africa, about South Africa, about, you know, about this, like political wise, you know. That's the advice that I can give. She needs to study more about politics so that when she meets abantu abanjalo, like when she gets to such particular interviews, and then at least maybe she's got a clue. Now they are saying Malema's comments add to the ongoing tensions between EFF and Operation Dudula, highlighting the deep divisions within South Africa's political landscape and regarding immigration and national identity. We know Dudula, abahambe, don't want foreigners. They are there, the clinics blocking all illegal foreigners from getting medication. You know what I mean? But when it comes to the EFF on the other side, before they were all for the foreigners, I do not know. Julius Malema saying foreigners are Africans and all that. So there's just a whole lot between Operation Dudula and EFF. Maybe that's why Julius Malema spoke like this when it comes to Zandile. I do not know. For me, I'm saying I wasn't expecting her to know everything, but I would say she rather study a little bit more when it comes to this, okay? Let me see what some people said. As if Julius Malema also knows everything in Parliament, Cyril once made Julius feel ashamed by asking him to read and educate himself on the part that trade unions played during the apartheid era. Julius had no idea what to do about that. You see what I mean? Not everybody knows everything, okay? At this point, only an idiot will vote for EFF. No sane person would openly embrace being replaced in their own country. Malema is instructing his members to band over to illegal foreigners while he stays in court mansion next to Maumela and Matlala. Ooh, I do not know. And then Umunyati Zandile must never be bothered by grown men who are scared of her. Her mission is with the poor citizens who fight for bread and butter issues and not the gushy. So it is common for some uneducated blacks to look down of their fellow blacks with lower levels of education. Malema himself started politics with poor educational background, of matric with woodwork and horrible symbols. He was mocked as well. After obtaining a degree, he now looks down on his own people, calling them fools. You know what I mean? They're saying, Malema, like I said, you guys, nobody knows everything. Like my black people, I've got channels, listen, sometimes they see, you know, like I do not know everything. So yeah, people dragging Uzandile. I would say I expect her to know everything, and the English to put things like upon laws, the educated ones. You know what I mean? No, we are not saying that. But so that she doesn't get embarrassed. You know, now when she can't answer particular things, you know what I mean? Someone said Malema is not a leader. A true leader would empower and educate instead of throwing cheap insults. No wonder he is going to jail. You know, he was found guilty. That's why they are saying that. So you guys, poor Zandile. Next time, hopefully next time she tries. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, look at, she's still trending now on TikTok. I'm bullish. I'm like, guys, calm down. Calm down. She was trying to answer wabhaiza sesizothini-ke kodwa-ke next time, I guess next time she's gonna learn ukuthi okay, into mangingayazi ngizothi try to elaborate that one for me, please, so that I can answer, because we are not expecting you to be the you know, we are not expecting you to be like the English top-notch girl or whatever, educated and don't. So yeah, that's what it is, man. Shame, poor girl. Now she's being bullied, honestly speaking. That's bullying. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this particular one. Like it, subscribe, share. Let's rather meet in my next one. Bye.